Hello, class. My name is Edward Adamson, and I decided to do my screencast on dividing fractions. If you know how to multiply fractions, then you should know how to divide fractions. So let's start off with the first fraction. 3/5 divided by 2/3. As you see, 3/5 divided by 2/3. When you divide in fractions, the only thing you do is you take the reciprocal, so that means the second fraction, and flip it. So after you flip it, you will see we got 3/5 times 3/2. So all thing you see, all thing we did was we changed the signs to multiplying, and then we see over here 3/5. We changed the fraction from 2/3 or 2/3. Then we multiply now by 3/2. Now we'll see we're bringing the fraction 3/5 times 3/2 equals 9/10. Simple like that. That's all you have to do is divide fractions. Thank you.